Greetings, my name is Anthony von der Muhll, and I'm a doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine with over 20 years of clinical and teaching experience in the USA. I invite you to join me for a weekend of hands-on training and practice in needling joints and ligaments at Chiway Academy in Winterthur, Switzerland on April 25th to 26th, 2026. This simple and easy-to-learn method was first described over 2,500 years ago in the foundation text of acupuncture, the Neijing Ling Shu, as a way to treat musculoskeletal pain and disability. We'll practice specialized physical exam and acupuncture treatment of ligaments and joints, including the acromioclavicular and glenohumeral joints that are critical to the functioning of the entire shoulder girdle and arm, the intricate joints of the wrists and fingers, the commonly injured knee, ankle, and foot joints, and the spinal facet joints so often involved in neck and back pain. You will leave with the ability to apply this safe method of needling that produces rapid and long-lasting results and expands the variety of conditions that you can effectively treat with acupuncture. I hope you will join me for this workshop to enhance your skills in acupuncture orthopedics.